In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize business tasks and boost efficiency with ClickUp. We'll start right inside ClickUp. First, make sure you're in your list view. This is where you'll see tasks laid out in a simple list format, which makes it easier to manage and review everything that's going on in your business. Next, look for the plus icon in the space where you want to add your new folder. This is usually near your existing folders or spaces on the left-hand side. Click that plus icon to tell ClickUp you want to create something new in this area. From the options that pop up, click on Templates. Templates are a huge time saver because they give you a ready-made structure instead of starting from scratch. In the Templates window, use the search bar and type Task Management. This helps you quickly filter down to templates that are designed specifically to organize and track tasks. When you see the Task Management template in the results, click on it to select it. You'll get a preview of how it's structured and what's included. Now, click on Use Template. ClickUp will ask you to name your new folder. Type in a name that clearly describes its purpose, like Business Tasks Management, or any name that makes sense for your team and workflow. Once you've named it, click on Use Template again to confirm. ClickUp will start creating your new folder using that structure. Give it a few seconds to load, usually up to around 10 seconds. It might feel like a short pause, but that's normal as it builds everything in the background. When it's done, you'll land in your task view. This is your main hub where you can add, remove, and customize business tasks, whether they're ongoing, one-off, or part of a bigger project. On the left-hand column, click on Backlog. This is where you'll see your backlog list, which is basically all the tasks and ideas that you haven't prioritized yet. Then click on Ideas to view and edit any ideas you've captured. This is a great place for potential projects, improvements, or future tasks. Next, click on Action Items. This is where tasks become concrete and actionable, helping you see exactly what needs to be worked on. To understand progress visually, click on the Progress Board view. Here you can see tasks moving through different stages, which makes it easier to track what's in progress and what's done. To measure and boost efficiency, click on View and then select Workload. The Workload view shows you who is doing too much and who might have extra capacity. Use this insight to redistribute tasks and balance your team's workload so you're using everyone's time effectively and achieving optimal efficiency.